If you're like me, I don't even like odd numbers on my car radio, so symmetry is a big thing for me. Hey guys, it's Andrew. We're back with another project, and actually this one is pretty unique. The homeowner had called us because they had purchased a prefabricated pergola online and they were interested in enclosing it. When we first got here, this whole structure was just open. So you had the roof, you had the posts, but everything was open to the elements, and they couldn't really enjoy this space because there was so much pollen coming in, there was so much rain, and they couldn't really put furniture out there. So they called us to enclose it and turn it into a 3-season space. So the cool thing with our system, we can either build a space completely from the ground up if you've got just a concrete slab, or we can actually enclose an existing space. Not just a regular porch, but we can also enclose prefabricated spaces. There are a couple modifications that we did have to do just to make it fit in here, so let me show you. So here we installed the Craft-Bilt 4-track vinyl film stacking windows. These are really popular nowadays because they protect against rain, protect against pollen, and they're pretty cost effective compared to glass. So we have 2 large windows and 1 swing door. The windows, all the panels can open all the way down and stack behind each other, so they have 75% airflow, or all the way up and also have 75% airflow. They've got screens built into them as well, so you don't have to worry about bugs coming in. And when they're closed, there's no rain or pollen getting inside the space as well. So the cool thing is it comes as one complete system. So you're not just getting a mix match of parts like you get with some other systems, but everything will be matching. So if you look at the door, it also has a 4-track system built into it too, which you can open up just like the windows. So everything looks symmetrical. If you're like me, I don't even like odd numbers on my car radio. So symmetry is a big thing for me. I get a lot of calls asking me for unique projects, like can we enclose an existing space like a prefabricated structure, which we're able to do. Anything's possible, and a contractor with experience can know how to navigate unique projects. So what we had to do for this one, just to make everything fit and look nice, if you look at the bottom, we've got the standard wall system, but if you look up at the top, we had to put this extra thick filler, and that's to make everything fit in and look nice. So sometimes we have to modify certain things in a unique way, but we're able to make it work. So you see a lot of these kind of structures for sale nowadays. You can go to Costco, you'll see a structure very similar to this one. So these are kind of like prefab pergolas. They're cost effective compared to building something from the ground up, like a permanent porch, and it's still possible to enclose them. So if you take a look on this side here, got windows all the way down. We actually have a second door so they can access both the concrete on that side and the backyard. All right, so we're inside the space now. I think that means I can take my sunglasses off. I know some of you are gonna ask why I have them on inside. So no matter which vinyl tint you get in the space, it's gonna have 99% UV ray resistance, meaning that you can hang out in the space without having damage to your skin, but also the color on your furniture won't wash out over time. So I get a lot of inquiries about people looking for a space that they can have their plants in, because a lot of people have plants outside, but obviously when it gets cold in winter, the plants die out. So a space like this is actually a really good place to keep plants. As you can see, the homeowner has kept a bunch of plants in here, and it looks like they're doing pretty good. This is not an insulated space, so it's not going to be like having them inside, but it does help with the climate control, and especially in winter, these plants will be safe from cold air blasting, and it'll offer some temperature control as well. A 3-season space doesn't necessarily require an HVAC or like a mini split unit. It's something that you can get, but mini split units are pretty expensive. So what I recommend to people is you can buy a plug-in heating or cooling unit on Amazon for a couple $100, and for a 3-season space like this, it will work really well while the unit's on, and it will heat up and cool down. It's just it's not insulated, so the air will escape once it's turned off. But that way you can have your family in here and have the unit on and actually really enjoy the space throughout most of the year. All right, so let me show you how to use these windows. So the cool thing, a lot of people, they might have windows going up pretty high, and they ask, well, how am I supposed to reach the top? You know, do I get on a ladder to pull the top panel down? And actually they're all interlinked, so you don't have to. So if you look, I'm grabbing the middle one, and actually pulls them all down. That way you don't have to reach all the way up or grab a ladder every time you want to open it downwards. And like I mentioned, once they're open, you have that nice mesh to stop any insects getting in, and you have 75% airflow in the window. So one other cool thing you can do is that you can actually grab an individual pane, and these all do this. So you can pull the whole thing out. That way you can have just a screen room if you really wanted to. That way you can take these out and clean them as well. And to pop them back in, you just push them into the deep track, and pops right in nice and easy. All right, guys. Sorry, I gotta put these in, I can't see you. If any of you guys are not in North Carolina, you might not be aware of the temperature here. It gets brutal. So we get Probably some of the most humid temperatures in the US, and it might not be very much fun out in the summer sometimes in the middle of that heat. So that's why a lot of people here get these kind of spaces, because they want to be able to enjoy it year round. And actually it never really gets cold enough in North Carolina or Charlotte in particular to where it even snows. Like we might get one snow day a year. So with a 3-season space like this, you can actually still enjoy it in the winter too. If you like this kind of project and you may be thinking about getting one done yourself, give us a call. I'll come out myself, talk with you about options, and help you figure out what would work best for your space. I'll see you guys next time.